started trading. We had to use Google or we had to make a lot of research online to know which of the best platforms or exchanges have one of the best benefits for users who want to trade futures. Now we came across Binance as well as other platforms, but for a long time we've stuck to Binance because it has a lot of benefits. I'll be showing you some of the reasons why you can also jump onto the Binance futures and start trading too. It says here that the Binance offers crypto futures contracts that are settled and collateralized in their base cryptocurrency. Now, these contracts are also coin margin contracts. For instance, the investors can trade Bitcoin margin contracts, which allows them to earn Bitcoin when their futures position returns with a profit. So these are just some of the basic concepts. Then also on the Binance Academy, we'll be looking at some of the basic features on how to open Binance futures accounts. It's a very simple process on how to go about it. All you need to do is to make sure you have a means of authentication which you'll be using for your verification purposes. In your Binance account, you will need to enter your email address, create a safe password as shown here. I will be giving you a referral code. It helps you get discount on fees, trading fees when you use the futures platform, as well as any other spot trading platform or other fees on the Binance platform. So we'll drop them in the link below. So once you're ready, you click on it. Then in order for you to start using the margin or the Binance futures, you need to click on the derivatives option. If you're using the mobile app, you want to click on the more option on the dashboard. It's going to take you to the futures. Then on the futures, irrespective of the fact that you have a Binance account, you still need to open an account on the futures account. Opening an account is just is a very easy process. You only need you need a crypto referral code from an existing user who uses the futures trading section already. So you want to know that the futures trading is very sensitive. It says future trading is highly risky endeavor with the potential of both great profits. So you can get both great profits as well as great losses on the platform. So you want to take note of this fact. But however, so long you understand the basics, you want to minimize any risks that might be associated with trading on the futures. So there are lots of the Binance futures also offers a testnet platform for you to test run the Binance futures and see how it goes for you. Now, in order for you to fund your account, you need to transfer funds from your Binance account, deposit it. So you can use this option to transfer from your futures wallet, from your spot wallet directly here. Then you can also set the amount that you'd like to transfer and click on the confirm transfer. So from your spot wallet, you can send in funds to your USD margin futures or the coin margin futures. But if you want to use the spot wallet in sending funds, make sure you're sending the coin, because for USD margin futures, you need a stable coin. These are for only stable coin transactions or futures transactions. You need to know that this is not only the way to fund your coin. You can also fund your coin in the exchange wallet as collateral and borrow USDT for futures trading. So if you want to use crypto loans, you can also go over to the Binance platform and check and use other options listed. Then the Binance futures interface and guide is here also. Basically, some of the reasons we saw that attracted us to the Binance futures is the fact that the Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and as such, it has some unique features that it has a well-to-do team that works towards making the platform as accessible and beginner friendly as possible. So right here on the Binance futures page, you can navigate to see this is the testnet version. You can navigate. You still need to log in. You can navigate and users can benefit from either side of the market that the price is turned to. So the Binance futures offers a whole range of trading pairs, which is one of the reasons why we use it. There are about 530, a lot of them, trading pairs on the platform. and they offer both perpetual and delivery contracts for USD margined and coin margined transactions. You also want to note that the Binance futures also has the multilingual support, which enables users to choose whichever language is beneficial to them. So if you don't want to see this whole feature in language, you want to choose maybe Netherlands or France, you want to change the language version of the platform. So it's going to see that the Binance futures will change, or the write-ups, it will be easily accessible for you to comprehend. So if you prefer the Dutch version or the Netherlands version, or the you are Chinese, you want to see the write-ups in Chinese, or you understand Chinese better, you can utilize this platform. So you can see coupon means buy, and the vercoupon means sell. So mean looking at it, if you do not understand this language, you always know that the Binance platform comes with the green button is the buy button, while the red button is the sell button. You can also call this the bullish and the bearish button. So those are some of the perks we've seen so far on the Binance platform. Then also you want to take note of the volume of trade on it. We're going to see that BTC against USDT has about 157. Okay, there's about 985. You can see the large volume of trades that are currently ongoing. So Binance has one of the largest volumes of trade here. So you want to start trading with a particular cryptocurrency that has a large volume, or users that are more experienced can decide to use whichever cryptocurrency or crypto pairs that they want to trade with. So you get a whole lot of these benefits. So there's an article here that talks about beginner's guides to futures trading on the Binance web. So we see that the Binance gives out lots of information to users so that they can to ease or help them understand. So even if you are inexperienced, you can be able to use the Binance futures. Once you have enough time, you can learn about how to trade futures as well as how to navigate on the Binance platform. So these are some of the benefits we've seen so far that makes the Binance futures very unique. There are so many materials up there that users can use in learning how to trade Binance futures, and how to set up the Binance futures. So some of the tips here, I'm going to be showing you some of the tips here. It says for the futures trading, so in futures trading you can participate in both market movement, that you can open a position for a long order or a short order on the futures contract. By going long, a trader buys a futures contract with the expectation that it will rise in value in the future. Now, a trader sells a futures contract to go short, to bet on prices to decline. So, irrespective of whichever bets you put, the Binance futures will also gives you the benefit to understand these all bases. There's also a video guide here that talks about Binance futures. I'll be playing it for you to see. Binance futures.
With Binance futures, you can hedge risk and gain more through.
So guys, you want to take note that
Leverage.
these write-ups, if
In
you
the
want
next
the write-ups to be in English, you can also switch it off, change the English so you can see the write-ups and more. So I'm
few
gonna play the
minutes, we
video.
will walk you through the latest futures interface. Step 1. Register a free Binance account. Click on to activate your futures trading account.
This is where you'll be putting your referral code for you to use.
Step 2. Choose a contract
So you can either choose the
you want to trade.
CoinMarketcap or the
USDT futures is
USDT CoinMarketcap futures. So
the
whichever one you can use
USDT
them.
margin futures that use a stablecoin like USDT as a collateral. Profit and loss (P&L) is denominated in USDT. CoinM futures is a coin margin futures that uses base assets as a collateral. For example, BTC USD quarterly December 25th uses BTC as a collateral. PNL is denominated in BTC. 3. Before start trading,
So these are just basic steps you need
you
to
may
put into
adjust the position
consideration.
mode under the FOAN. Currently, we support one-way mode and hedge mode. Then, set margin mode and leverage multiplier. There is cross mode and isolate mode, where you can find a more
For beginners,
detailed explanation
you
on the
can
model.
choose to use the
Here, you
isolated
can
mode, as it is a little more risk
manually adjust the leverage. The
lesser.
maximum leverage
Now the leverage has about 125x. That's the maximum. So you can start from
available for
1x to
users depends on the notional
125x.
value of their position. Generally, the larger the position, the leverage. Please manage your risk. The higher the leverage, the higher the risk.
So you want to know that the higher the leverage being offered on the Binance platform, the higher the risk. Although you can benefit from this in a great way, but as a new user, you want to start small. So you shouldn't go all in if you can't push through with it. So I'll be dropping this video link in the description box so you can also check it out. But right here, there are some basic concepts here that you need to understand while we're trying to choose which platforms to choose or to use. We got to find out that Binance offers a huge selection of cryptos with new coins being listed basically on the release. Binance also offers low trading fees. So the trading fees on the Binance platform is usually very low. So it says that Binance has 530 crypto to crypto trading pairs, and there are even altcoins being associated or being used on the Binance futures page. So it has a lot of wide variety, and you also do not need to worry about slippages. You can easily get in and out, so the liquidity is sure. So with this liquidity on the Binance futures, it helps users to trade without having to worry about slippages. Slippages are usually associated with most buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. So another attractive benefit for Binance futures is the low fee structure. Maker fees, this is the value for the maker fees. You can also see a full breakdown on the Binance futures page. This allows traders to keep their hard-earned money and profits. So you can even get lesser fees when you use the Binance USDT stablecoin or BNB. Then also Binance Futures also provides a generously wide range of leverage for accounts with a $0 to $50,000 benefits. So there's also the automated usage of a trading strategy in which users can choose to use the grid trading or the swap trading strategies that are available on the Binance Futures page. Then Binance also has about 28.6 million active users, and it is still growing, so it's about 30 million users that trade on the Binance futures page. So with this, you can see that the volume of trades are usually very high due to the fact that on a 24-hour volume, Binance was able to equalize or get over $76 billion as a volume of trades that was done on the Binance futures. So as a new user, you want to stick with a exchange that has a good amount of volume of trades, as this helps you in getting in and out of trades, or this helps you in trading or easing off your trading experience. The Binance is very security conscious, as it also offers KYC, two-factor authentications, and more. Then the insurance fraud, being available on Binance, helps users to easily get their profits and also prevent users from adverse losses while ensuring that profits of winning traders are paid in full. So as a user on the Binance futures, you want to mitigate your risk. When you use the leverage options, you could get high volumes of reward or returns, but also you could also be exposed to lots of risk So the risk is also equal to the profits you get. So the higher the risk, the higher the returns you get. Also, Binance supports up to 17 different languages and the easy to use interface. So guys, you can now sign up on the Binance. I'll be dropping a link in the description box. If you have any questions, let us know. I hope you understand some of the reasons why we chose the Binance futures page, why we're currently trading on the Binance futures. I'll be dropping other relevant articles that might be of interest to you, enough for you to understand some basic things, risk management, things you want to do to manage your trading risk. So you need to know that you should never invest money that you can't afford to lose while trading on crypto. Risk management techniques such as stop losses and total capital at risk can protect your investment. So Binance is very transparent as it lets users know about these basic concepts. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in our future uploads and stay tuned for more.